Use of mascot in Indian advertising. Introduction. Mascot refers to any fictitious character, persons or animal used to represent a brand and communicate about the brand and it is offering to the customers. Mascots are used as communicate channel between the customers and the product. It is the mascot to enter our living room every day inform us which brand and burger is the tastiest or which mobile service provider you should trust to ensure the good connectivity. Mascot have power beyond what ordinary marketing can achieving. Mascot. The term mascot has very strange origin. At the turn of 20th century, a French composer named Edmond Ordon wrote a series of operators. The most famous being a Mascati. This was light-hearted story of virgin farm girl who brought good luck to whoever employed her. The English translation was mascot. Use of mascot in Indian advertising. Maharaja in Air India. The success story of Indian mascots date back to 1946 when Air India Bobby Hugo along with JWT Umesh Rao created our own hospitable Maharaja. The Maharaja was policed and cottage man with mustaches in red imperial cloth, speckled turban, and the pointed shoe. Maharaja became face of the public sector aviation giant. Next, Chubby Butter Girl in Amul. One of the longest running mascot in Indian history is the Amul Girl. The Chubby Butter Girl who warmed her way into the heart in 1967. Sylvester Dahuha of Advertising and Sales Promotions Company was given the Amul accounting in 1966. 1960s he came up with what he's been one of the longest running mascot in history, and he has made it his way into the Guinness Book of the World Record as the longest running outdoor advertising campaign. The Amul Girl with a innocent smile, good she holding her favorite butter in her hand on the hoarding. Asian Paint came up with Guddu, designed by R.K. Lakshman. The little boy with a paintbrush, one hand and a bucket of paint. In the other sends is a message to Indian customers that is only Asian Paint which can help them preserve their home sweet homes. The brand was began contemporary look and was rejuvenant. Bunny, Licha Babbitt. The bunny of Licha Babbitt was puppet designed by Ramnath Padev. Sri Mahila Griga Vidyo promoted the adorable mascot with easily secured place in every child heart. Green-tailed Onida Devil. Not all mascots were gentle, cute and adorable. Creative minds have also come up with a mascot whose devil's looks helped many brands regain their lost market share. With their appealing and complimenting tagline, neighbors envy, owners pride. This devil communicate too well for the customer's durable company. However, Onida Devil suddenly depreciated in 1998, move considered their professional suicide by export. Muscle Man of MRF. The Muscle Man of MRF was created Alcubadamus for MRF tires. Durability was key issues. Al-Q and his gang dream up of Muscle Man, who was to be a company public face mascot who represent the ensures and show of the product promise strength. This given to the instant identify and the definitions of what the brand should for. Fido Dido in 7-Up. Created by Giovanna Ferrans and Sue Rose in 1985, the imaginator of frequently young guy called Fido Dido has been the brand mascot of 7-Up. It become extremely popular with being highlighted on television as well as other media. It is an easily named pronouns and was young and trendy in outlook. Hertzberg. The very popular mascot used by Hertz was a cute little bug. Hertz had very strength brand personality. The slogan "Wherever you go, our network follows" was closely tripped by which Hertzberg campaign. The Hertz network was personified as adorable Berg dog followed the owner, who was very cute kid. Hertz network was personified as the dog, as the Hertz brand automatically draw the brand personality of being adorable and cute. The dog was named Hertzberg, Hertz dog, and become very popular in India. Vodafone differentiation itself from other telecom operator through its value order service, and it is wanted to educate the customers about it. Vodafone break into the Zuzu. The Zuzu Weird Use launched Vodafone value order service during the IPL match. Every ad for the humorous situations where the need from a particular Vodafone service was brought to the forefront. The Zuzus rigged the public memory and made sure that this particular ad campaign would not be forgotten easily. Chester Cheetah in Cheetos. While Chester Cheetah did not work from Cheetos, Donnie the tiger made Kellogg's stage success through the in magnesium. Kingfisher bird. The kingfisher bird represents energy, youthfulness, enthusiasm, freedom with a touch of formality and discipline. Did it for Kingfisher's group. Mascots that took breath on foreign lands have become synonymous to their brand across the globe. One such character is the Ronald, the smile child-friendly brand mascot of McDonald's, who continues the role of imaginations of kids for world over. Used by the company to convey its brand meaning through brand personality, Ronald was successful in establishing an instant connecting with a target group. KFC and the instantly identified Colonel Harlan Darwin Sanders is not only the investor of KFC brand but also a person behind the secret finger licked goods food. According to Anand Verma, KFC Marketing Direct India, our brand mascot, the Colonel, experiments in the export someone which strength heritage, and it's the contemporary and it's now as mark of product quality and excellence. Thank you.